Hello everyone. Ever wondered what technology really is? Well, let's embark on a journey of understanding together. Technology, in its simplest form, is the application of scientific knowledge for practical purposes. It's all around us, from the simple tools used by our ancestors, like the wheel and the plow, to the sophisticated devices and systems we use today, like smartphones and the Internet of Things. It has evolved over time, and it continues to do so, shaping our lives in countless ways. Knowing how to navigate this technological landscape is not just a luxury anymore, it's a necessity. Understanding technology can empower us, helping us make better decisions, solve problems, and even create new opportunities. So, buckle up and let's demystify technology together. Remember, technology is not a dragon to be feared, but a tool to be harnessed. You might wonder, why is it important to demystify technology? Well, let's ponder on that, shall we? In this rapidly advancing world, technology is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. It's like the air we breathe, invisible yet omnipresent, impacting every facet of our lives. Here's the thing, understanding technology isn't about becoming a tech wizard or knowing all the jargon. It's about understanding how it affects you and your life. It's about making your life simpler, better, more efficient. Think about it. When you understand the technology that powers your smartphone, your computer, your car, you become more independent. You can make informed decisions about the tech you use, troubleshoot minor issues, and even prevent yourself from becoming a victim of tech-related scams or frauds. In essence, demystifying technology empowers you. It helps you navigate through this digital landscape with confidence and ease. So, understanding technology is not just for techies, it's for everyone. Now, let's take an example. Ever heard of the Internet of Things, or IoT? It sounds like a complex term, but it's not. It's simply a network of physical devices that connect and exchange data with each other over the internet. Think of it as a conversation happening between your everyday devices. For instance, imagine your alarm clock talking to your coffee maker, telling it to start brewing as you wake up, or your refrigerator notifying your smartphone when you're running low on milk. It's all about devices communicating and working together to make our lives a little bit easier. And it doesn't stop at home appliances. IoT also includes things like health monitoring devices that track your heart rate and sleep patterns, or farming equipment that optimizes water usage based on weather forecasts. So, Internet of Things is just about devices talking to each other and making our lives easier. But how do these devices talk to each other? Let's unravel the mystery. Picture this, you're at a party where everyone speaks a different language. It sounds chaotic, doesn't it? But with a universal translator, everyone can understand each other and communicate seamlessly. That's essentially how the Internet of Things works. Each device in the IoT network, whether it's your smart fridge, your fitness tracker, or your doorbell camera, is like a guest at that party. They all speak different languages. In this case, the data they collect. But they need to understand each other to work together. Enter the universal translator, or in technical terms, the IoT platform. This platform collects the data from all these devices, translates it into a common language, and then makes sense of it all. It's like the mastermind behind the scenes orchestrating the whole operation. Now, let's say your smart fridge notices you're running low on milk. It sends this information to the IoT platform. The platform in turn communicates with your smartphone, sending you a notification to buy more milk. Or if you've set it up, it might even place an online order for you. This is all possible because of the internet, which is the superhighway that data travels on. The devices connect to the internet, send their data to the platform, and then receive instructions back, all in real time. And all this happens without any human intervention. But what happens to all this data? Well, it's stored and analyzed, patterns are identified, and predictions are made. For instance, if your fitness tracker notices that your heart rate spikes every time you're about to have a meeting with your boss, it might suggest you do some deep breathing exercises beforehand. So, you see, the Internet of Things is not as complex as it seems. It's all about devices communicating, sharing data, and working together to make our lives easier and more efficient. So that's how the Internet of Things works. It's like a team of devices working together to get a job done. So we've demystified technology and the Internet of Things today. We've journeyed from the basics of technology to why it's crucial to unravel its complexities, and then dove into the world of the Internet of Things. It's been quite an adventure, hasn't it? We've learned that technology isn't a mystical beast to be feared, but a tool to be harnessed. A tool that can make our lives easier, more connected, and more efficient. We've also discovered how the Internet of Things is simply about devices communicating with each other, making our world smarter and more responsive. Understanding technology and its applications, like the Internet of Things, truly empowers us. It opens up a world of possibilities and allows us to navigate our increasingly digital world with confidence and curiosity. Now, how do you feel after watching this video? Do you feel empowered? Comment below and let us know.